After accessing the PowerAdSpy dashboard, locate the LinkedIn icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to explore the most recent LinkedIn ads. At the top of the screen, you'll find the search bar, where you can search for ads by domain, advertiser, or keyword. Just below, you'll see the search by options, allowing you to refine ads based on criteria like text and image, brand and image, object and image, or celebrity and image. Next, you'll find the sort by option, where you can organize ads by metrics such as likes, comments, impressions, and popularity. Beside that is the filter option, which lets you narrow down your search by call to action, country, ad type, and language. The Lander Properties section allows you to refine your search further by affiliate network, e-commerce platform, funnel, marketing platform, and source. Now, let's try searching for the keyword Google. You'll see a variety of ads related to this keyword. In the Sort By section, you can also set a range for the popularity percentage of the ads you want to view. Once set, you'll see ads that fit within your chosen range. There you can check the popularity scores of ads to know which ads are most popular and trending. To gain deeper insights into an ad, click on the Show Analytics option available for each ad. This will provide information on the targeted countries, first seen and last seen dates, post date, ad language, and domain registration date. Additionally, you can view the ad's social engagement with a detailed graph.